Jobs at waytv.com. Gary's World is brought to you by Mattress King. We save you money.
You like that little tune.
I love
just says
Mr.
Gary
Rogers.
Dobbs,
It does. They're pretty much the same.
It's 6:32. He's our own local
Good morning,
Mr. Rogers.
boys and girls.
How are you today?
Now put on your shoes.
Yeah.
You should be my neighbor. I'll take my sweater vest off here in a minute.
You do have a sweater.
It's good to be here with you all. Next week I'll be here Wednesday and Thursday morning instead of Thursday and Friday, okay? Wednesday and Thursday. So you need to get those pictures and videos into me as soon as possible. The folks back behind the area back here, Scott, for example, would love to get it early. So
it's a lot of work to get those on. And we want to make sure that they look their best on TV.
Everything has to be pre-produced. Beautiful Christmas card came to me from, guess who? Mary Bibbs.
Mary Bibbs. I recognize her writing. This woman
The
sends
Bibbs
Christmas
family.
cards. She is so sweet.
To Gary, Belinda, and Emma Catherine. It says, P.S. We enjoy Gary's World so much. We watch you every week. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
She's such a nice lady from Scottsboro.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, let's take a look at some pictures that you have sent in recently. Gary, my name is Crystal Cottingham. My husband and I are celebrating our first anniversary on December 21. That would be today.
Yay.
Hope you'll feature us on your Gary's World. By the way, his name is Jody. So happy anniversary to you two. And we have another anniversary. These folks have been married a little bit longer, 45 years.
Bennis and Judy Schultz.
That's right. They have 3 daughters, 6 grandchildren. They watch the morning news every day. You are like family to us, they say. Have a Merry Christmas. Thank you so much. And Gary, I've attached a picture of my daughter, Hayden Hunter, who attends Monrovia Elementary School in Huntsville.
Like your shirt there, Hayden.
Just turned 10 on Wednesday, the 19th. Hoping you could show her picture during your segment and give her a shout out. She and her brother loved watching you do the weather and are very excited that you're back at least 2 days a week.
Double digits for Hayden. That's a big deal. 10's a big deal.
It sure is. That was from Christy Hunter. And let's go square dancing. I want to tell you about this group right here that I had the pleasure of meeting this past Wednesday night, because they dance every Wednesday night at the
Baraka Gym on Sparkman.
That's right. They've got they're starting over with some free lessons for you. The first 3 lessons are free starting January 9, 16, and 23rd. Those are Wednesday nights. They say it's fun, physical exercise, social interaction, mental stimulation, no fancy footwork. If you can walk, you can square dance, according to them. Singles and doubles is the name of their group.
So what if you don't have a partner?
Well, that's why it's called singles and doubles.
Okay,
because
that's what I thought, maybe.
Singles show up and you find a partner.
Isn't that great?
Yeah, and there's plenty of them to go around. They just had a big thing. This was their Christmas party, their Christmas get-together. So talk to Judy Gott or Viva Cox. That's the president and vice president there.
You have video of them, too.
I do. Well, I don't know if we have time to show that. But nonetheless, they're out there dancing. I don't know if you can. I think I see one on the left.
In the red.
Yeah.
One's in the red.
Now, 30 years ago, I used to square dance. My wife and I at that time, we took square dancing lessons just like these folks offer. And it is the most amount of fun you will ever have in your life, as far as I'm concerned. We look forward to it every week. So these folks meet at, it's the Police Academy on Sparkman, the gym over there.
The Baraka Gym. I know, the big skirts are the best.
Isn't that neat? I had them sashay around for me a while while I was there. We say gladly did. But anyway, big time, so square dancing is a big thing around here, apparently. And that's a good thing, because it's just
that would be
a
good New Year's resolution, right? So next week, as Gary mentioned, he's going to be here on Wednesday and Thursday instead of Thursday and Friday. So go ahead and start getting those pictures sent in.
Jobs at waytv.com or Facebook, Gary's World.
Okay. Right. Let's check in with Samantha now and see how our weather is looking for today. It feels a lot colder this morning.
Oh, yes, guys. It is frigid out there, and those winds are not making it